In this video, I'm going to show you how to create recurring tasks in Bitrix24. Now to do this, first you want to open your dashboard. You want to go to the left here where it says tasks and projects. You want to click on that, and then from here we're not going to click on the create button up top, but instead we're going to click on the arrow down button and then task using template, and then from here create template. Now from here you have to then create a task. So I'm going to give it a template name over here. This is just going to be a tutorial task like this, and then over here of course you could give it a description. I'm just going to type in tutorial, whatever you want. You could go and select your task owner, the assignee, and of course the deadline as well. And then the most important part here is going to be the recurring task part. So of course click on recurring task, and you can then go ahead and you want to select how many tasks you would like to create by template. So here I'm going to do one daily, and I'm going to start on today, and then on here it's going to say end recurrence. You could end it manually after a specific amount of runs, or of course an exact date if you want to finish, for example, on August 2nd or whatever. Then over here you want to select when you want to create the new task. So for example 9 a.m. and if you want to create tasks on weekends and holidays, you can keep this on yes, otherwise do no. Then click on the save button, and there we go. That's all you have to do. Click on this create button at the bottom. And when you do this, it's going to actually create that, okay? Now over here, if I go and refresh, so it actually loads in, you'll see you now have templates. So if I go over here, create using template, we have this tutorial task over here. If I just click on it, I'm going to view that template. And as you can see, there we go. This is a recurring task. I can also go and click on create down here. And of course, I can customize this if I want to. And if I click on create, it's going to create this task over here. And of course, it's going to go current status is pending, but it is actually a recurring task because as you remember, we actually put the recurring on there, okay? Now, as you can see here, you can also go and change how recurring you want it to be, the deadline if you want it to kind of end or whatever, okay? So that's essentially how to create a recurring task. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.